Hello and welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a really exciting video. I'm at the workshop. How's it, Nelson? Hey man, how you doing? You're a good legend. This man is an absolute legend. I've got to give him a shout out because he's done quite a bit of work for me in removing the wheels. And as you can see, Nitro Kart is kind of like, it's a little bit like, it's in multiple pieces. So essentially the plan for me today is to take the last few things off here and I want to give it a coat of paint. Like I don't like this orange. I've got nothing against orange. I just don't like this orange because it looks, kind of looks like puke. I'm not gonna lie. It's not a vibe. We need to take this off and just some general cleaning up. That's the main aim of the game for today. But I've got really exciting news. And as you know, in the previous video, I kind of screwed up a little bit. I bought what I thought would be a cool engine, and it wasn't a cool engine at all. It was a cool engine, but it wouldn't fit. I don't really know what to call that, like a four-wheeler hybrid type thing. And I mean, we did a burnout with it. It was really cool, but I've swapped it for an engine. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to someone really cool that has helped us out with that. He's organized an engine for us. He just phoned us to let us know that it's actually ready and we can go pick it up. So can I get your bucky?
Yeah, it's got the key.
Alright, you're a legend. This is my second favorite loved vehicle over here. I love this. Like I've said to you guys in the previous Nitro Kart episode, my true Afrikaner comes out when I get to drive this thing. Guys, I'm excited. This is gonna be, oof. Dan is a short dude. Oh, that's much better. We are gonna go and fetch a engine for the Nitro Kart. It's the right engine this time. Sorry about that. But I know you guys have been waiting for this episode, and I've been waiting for this episode. I've been really excited about this. I don't think we're gonna make much progress in terms of mechanical progress, but my goal for today is to get the engine, to make sure that it fits, obviously. But I mean, we know it's gonna fit because we have a really cool dude that has sorted us out, and I also just want to make it look a bit better. I want to kind of get the cosmetic stuff done so that when Dan has got some time and we can actually put the engine in and get it running, it's already like it's ready and it looks good and it looks nice. And we need to get rid of that orange, man. Like I don't like the orange. Anyways, we are literally 2 blocks away from an absolute legend that has sorted us out with the engine. I'm gonna introduce you guys to him now, and yeah, let's see what we got. He said it's a brand new engine. He's literally rebuilt it for us, and he's put a new piston in and all that kind of stuff. Walls Repair Motorcycles. How's it going, man? You're a legend, dude. How's it? Guys, this is Jason. I hope you don't mind, I'm vlogging a bit today.
Awesome, how's it?
I came to pick up the engine. You said you got it. Is that it?
Yeah, that's
Oh, this is exciting. Oh, it's got a loom and everything.
Yeah, I made it up from scratch, eh? Yeah,
Really?
Thing, yeah, from scratch, but it's...
Well, shout out to you. You're a
just on the
legend.
bench. We just spray quick start, and it did start. So yeah, it's got an ignition.
Okay.
On and off. Yeah, there's the coil. There's the regulator for charging. There's the CDI. There's the relay.
A lot of this stuff is foreign to me, but it looks really cool. And
Yeah,
it sounds really good.
Put it on the battery. Push the button. There's a start button here, and yeah, it'll crank. That's
What do you rate? How much? Like 300 kilowatts?
Probably about 290, 295.
Okay,
right?
so well, we're putting it on the rollers, eh? So I'm gonna hold you to that. Like, guys, massive shout out to these legends. I swapped. What would you call that? Like a four-wheeler?
Yeah, so ATV quad bike, Chinese quad bike.
It's
yeah,
like a Chinese quad. Is it outside?
Yeah, let's go have a look.
Well, we don't really need to have a look at it because it's a piece of crap. Like, I still feel bad for I bought it and I was like, whether this could work, but it really didn't. Okay.
She's in the back there.
Still standing over
Tires are
there.
good, eh?
Yeah, tires work well.
Yeah.
We basically swapped this thing out for the engine. As you guys can see, it's a really nice looking engine. We've got a loom and everything. Massive shout out to Jason for that. What is this place? Like what? Shout out to
WMR, eh?
WMR.
Yeah.
All right, sick.
There we go,
okay, well, I'll put like a logo thing in for you. And guys, if you want a motorcycle engine or you want like a VUCA repair or you basically just
bike related, eh?
anything bike related, this is the guy to come to. Oh, shot, dude. Let me just help you here. Oh. I came with a bucky thinking that this is going to be a heavy thing.
Yeah.
Could have come in the i10, you know.
Yeah,
but
no, there we go. It's not that heavy.
thank you guys. You're a legend.
Cool, really
and
enjoy it.
yeah, I'm gonna go
know.
paint the Nitro Kart and kind of make it ready for the engine and all that kind of stuff. So
Yeah, I'll
sick.
in some time.
Yeah,
All right.
come check it out. Thank
Right,
you.
thanks,
Have a great day.
mate.
Thanks, guys. Well, there you guys have it. We've got an engine for the Nitro Kart. It starts, it runs, it's gonna be great. Don't comment on my hair, I didn't make it today. I'm quickly gonna run to Midas and go grab some paint because I'm not sure if Dan has any. And that's like, we've got the engine now, so now first priority is making the Nitro Kart look good. This one needs to go on for the record, boys. Just to show you, your homie can reverse a bucky. You can actually parallel park a bucky. Well, okay, no, that's going a bit far. I'm not going to say I can parallel park one, but I can definitely reverse a bucky. So it is. Oh, he's got that. Oh, that's great. Sweet. Guys, we've got an engine. I'm gonna go show Dan. He doesn't know about this. Like, he knows that it was ready, but he doesn't know what engine, what it was and what it's gonna look like and all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited. I think this is gonna do wonders for us. At the end of the day, it's basically just putting the motor in, making it look nice, pumping the tires and taking it for a skid. Like, that's, oh, guys, I'm very excited about this. Like, I mean, I know we've got Drift Bucket running and we've got like other things that we're busy with, but this is really close to my heart. Like, I've always wanted something like this. I've always wanted like a cart or scooter or bike or like four-wheeler, or I don't really know what to call it, like a motorized toy. And now we finally have one. Oh, really? Come check it out. Dude, it looks so good. Like, he built a loom and like it's got something called a CDI and a whole bunch of other stuff that I don't really know what it does, but he says it'll make about 290 kilowatts on the dyno. So I said to him I'd hold him on to that.
Hey, that looks like one.
It looks fancy. Check it. It's got an ignition. It's got like.
Oh, it's got electric start. Jeez.
Dude, he said he just put quick start in there and it ran.
Yeah, no, they
So,
like I said, they're very robust little engines. So
well, I mean, he put a new piston in. It's rebuilt. Like, it's brand. Dude, we got an engine. We've got an engine for the Nitro Kart.
Nice thing about this, it's fit and go.
Yo, that's the thing. It's basically, we put the engine on, we paint it, we get the tires pumped.
Up cables, yeah.
I'll do a quick story so you guys can comment on that, what color we should do. Hey?
Vote for neon.
Vote for neon. Yeah. Vote for neon, guys. Actually, we don't need to let them vote. I will do neon just because it's neon. Can't really think of what. I see a bunch of different paints here. Maybe. Ooh. I have a feeling that this is going to be what we need. Fluorescent violet. Guys, I'm sold. We're getting some of these. So, don't you think it's a good color?
I don't know.
You don't think so?
You
It's for YouTube. Yeah, it's for YouTube. This we're doing a Nitro Kart. It's like a go-kart.
But you're taking me.
Yes, it's a video. We've got our paint. Funny enough, the security lady, she's like, "Why? What are you painting? Why are you painting purple?" And when I told her it's a Nitro Kart, she didn't really quite understand what a Nitro Kart is, but I sent her the link, so hopefully she'll see, and she'll see herself in the video. Shout out to you for approving my stuff. I didn't think of purple. I think Dan's gonna be quite impressed because he kind of likes the whole purple vibe, and I mean a lot of the drifting guys do. So yeah, I hope you guys like. I hope it's gonna work out nicely. Like, I got the white to put on it, and hopefully it's like purple in your face. But then again, we're only painting the frame, so if it's terrible, we can always change the color. So I'm crossing fingers for that, but I'm actually really excited. I want to see what this is gonna look like. I took some liberty with the color choice. Blue. Is that what you think of me?
As long as it's neon. Any color as long as you know.
Oh, is it good? Do you approve? Are you happy?
It's cool, man.
See, I told you guys purple's gonna be good. I'm gonna get this to a point where I can just take the frame outside and we can spray it and make it look good. So I'll catch you guys in like 5 minutes after I've just taken all of this apart. It's not gonna be 5 minutes, probably gonna take me like an hour to do this, so. Well, we have made considerable progress, even if I say so myself. I've taken the, what do you call that, like the scratch pan off, steering's off, fuel tank's off, drive shaft thing with brake disc is off. Pretty much everything is off that I can take. I'm probably still going to just take this line over here off, the throttle cable. But other than that, this is all good. I'm just going to cover these with some newspaper, and I'm going to do a little bit of brake cleaner, get some sandpaper out, just roughen it up a little bit, and we're going to put a first coat of white just so that we can, you know, the main thing is like with that fluorescent stuff, if you paint it on other paint it looks terrible, but if you paint it on white it looks great. So the main thing is just get it roughed up nice and clean, make sure that the white actually sticks, and then once we've got our first coat of white on, then we can actually go ahead and paint it. I have gone outside because the time has come to spray. I've made quite a bit of progress. I've done a quick sand over the entire body, basically just to rough it up a little bit. And what I've also done is I've given it a bit of an acetone wipe. I'm hanging out over here because there's a bunch of cars there we don't want to get overspray on, which is the main thing. And it is kind of windy today, so I'm out here in the corner. I think it's ready for paint, you know, like it was already pretty rough on its own, and the acetone just like, that's some nasty stuff, man. It cleans it up very, very quickly. So I'm gonna grab some newspaper, I'm gonna get that wrapped, and we're gonna get spraying. It's starting to look a lot less orange than what it did. That was one can. As you can see, my hand is like full of paint. There's quite a lot of overspray just because of the wind, and it's like, I'm super glad that I'm out here and I'm not getting it on any of the cars. Like, my eye's also burning. I'm pretty sure I got some in there, but it's fine. We don't have any runs, we don't have mist spray. We've got like, it's looking pretty good. I mean, for a rattle can job, you know, this is about as good as what it's gonna get, and I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna use the other can from the bottom essentially to try and get the rest of, like, the most of the orange off. I'm not trying to entirely cover it. Like, this for me here is perfect. That's already kind of dry. This is like perfect for me because the main thing is to get rid of the orange, not completely paint it in white, because we're gonna be painting purple, and I'm pretty sure the purple, it's just going to overtake the entire thing. Like, it's gonna, the color will overtake properly. Well guys, there it is. I'm very proud of myself. Even if I say so myself, I'm very proud. I've even cleaned my hands off. It's looking great. I think it's actually, it looks really, really bright in the sun. Like, the camera's not really doing it much justice now. And what do you think? Do you approve? Like,
The color's great.
I think I made a bold move pulling the purple, but I think
it looks nice.
I think it was a vibe. Like,
in the sun as well.
it looks great in the sun. That's what I was just saying. It looks good in the sun. And I mean, the camera's not really doing it justice, but guys, I'm your boy for painting, man. Like this is
$10 paint job.
it's a $10 paint job, but it's like it actually came out really good. Like for the price of a Big Mac, you know. I mean, I spent $200 on paint, 4 cans of paint, and even if I bought another can, like I'd probably do another blast. So there are patches that are like a little bit darker than others, but I mean, in the sun it kind of glows, you know. It's like it's nice and bright, so it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. And yeah, I think that's basically it. Like we've got an engine now, which is over there, and we've got it painted. So I think we made good progress for today. I was gonna do a little bit more, but you know, I'm gonna cut it here because I mean, it's the end of the day. We're tired. It's time to go home. Time to make some food. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit it with a like. I really appreciate that. It makes YouTube's algorithm happy. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you have, you're awesome. Continue being awesome. And I will see you in the next video.